Variable is like a named container in a computer program. It holds some data that can be changed. It is similar to having some clothes and an empty container. You put the clothes in that container and name the container cloth. So whenever anyone inquires about the clothes, you can tell them to go there and there is a container named cloth. In the same way, variables works in computer program. To name variables, there are some rules and common practices. First of all, we will discuss some rules. Start the variable name with lowercase, uppercase alphabet or underscore. Like this name, here I use small c and here I use uppercase C, and in this I used underscore. After first letter, you can use any number from 0 to 9 in variable name. Try not to use spaces like this and no special character in variable name. Some common practices. Choose the names that describe what the variable holds, like age for storing age or total score for holding a total score. For multi-word names, use camel case. Start with lowercase and capitalize the first letter of each new word. Let's check variable name is good or bad. Age, it is good because short and meaningful name. Average age, it is also good, camel case for clarity. Total score, it is also good, descriptive name. Too much starts with the number, so it is bad. First hyphen name, it has hyphen, that is not allowed. Now player underscore name, underscore is a special character which is not allowed.